Hi everyone, I am Pravin. Welcome to SEO Complete Course, guys. If you are new to this video, please do watch the before videos which I have highlighted here in red color, guys. The text which is highlighted in green color is on progress, guys. So if you are new to this video, please do watch the videos in YouTube and LinkedIn, guys. If you have any doubts, please ask me in YouTube and LinkedIn, guys. So without any delay, let's get into the video, guys. Today's topic is about breadcrumb, guys. Breadcrumbs. So what is breadcrumb means? For example, here I am taking the e-commerce website, guys. Here you can see the Flipkart website. Here you can see the home page with and the wearable smart device page, smart watches, Diso smart watches, Diso Watch 2, guys. Here the Diso Watch 2 will be a page of Diso smart watches, guys. It came from the smart watches and it came from the wearable smart devices and it came from the home page, guys. So it is called breadcrumb, guys. What is the use of breadcrumb means? You can easily able to go to another page, guys. Here you can see I can move from Diso Watch 2 to smartwatch, and I can also move to dissolve smartwatches, guys. Easily I can able to move to the home page also, guys. So use of breadcrumb is you can easily travel from one page to another page, guys. So nowadays breadcrumb plays a major role, guys, because the Google's algorithm always looking for the new styles in web page, guys. So if your website has a breadcrumb, it is one of the advantage that you can able to rank in CRP, guys. So here you can see that Diso Watch 2 is the page of Diso smartwatch. It is one of the page of smartwatch, and it is a smartwatch came from the page called wearable smartwatch, guys. So it is a high interlinked pages, guys. So you can easily move from one page to another page, guys. So if any user came to your website, you can able to easily move from one page to another page by easily, guys. So this is called breadcrumb, guys. You can mostly see the breadcrumb in e-commerce website, guys. If you use the breadcrumb in your website also, you can use it in a blog or you can use it in the business pages also, guys. If you use the breadcrumbs, it is one of the advantage that you can able to rank in top in SERP, guys. So the breadcrumb topic is over now, over, guys. So in the next video I will come with a new topic in on page, guys. If you have any doubts, please comment me or you can ask me in the LinkedIn also, guys. Thank you.